welcome to the stage, Anthony Hernandez.
Mr. Worldwide, let's celebrate. Yeah, yeah. Just wanna celebrate. Just wanna celebrate. We making history. Just wanna celebrate. We've been around the world, sing songs. Work hard, play hard all day long. All the continents keep jealous over me. You can see me pretty overseas. If you know me, then you know what I'm saying. Open up a house and play on my hand. Yeah, live it up, live it up, live it up. Baby, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. And we go. That's the way we like to play. Waiting for you to say it and say it. Make it a take it, the point is we made it. Quarterback the game, call us Tom Brady. And it's not our fault that we have all the ladies, but it's all the city days when your middle needs a quarter. All around the globe, matter back to you later. They're great, well, great, well, dominators and walls, and smooth operators, and we go. That's the way we like to play.
Perfect. How's it going? Hola. Ni hao ma. And the rest of you, hi. My name is Anthony. Let me introduce everyone real quick. First off, this is the lovely, the talented, she's my everything, Miss Dawn. Would you give Miss Dawn a big round of applause? That is Ian. Would you give Ian a big round of applause? And this is Grimmy. Who wants to pet him? Who wants to pet him? Come here, come here. Just be very gentle, be very gentle, be very gentle. Oh, yes, I'm so sorry. No, only this little water bottle thing. How do you say water in Chinese? What is it? Shui? It's only shui. It's only shui. All right. That is for you.